here we have ingredients for our recipe: onions chopped 1/4 cup, tomato grated or puree 3 tablespoons, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, coriander 1 bunch chopped, green chilies 2 medium chopped, and then we have seasonings: turmeric powder 1/8 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, Carom seeds 1/4 teaspoon, and red chili powder 1/2 teaspoon. Water 1/2 cup or as required for mixing dry ingredients. Then we have oil 1/3 cup for frying. Then we have corns 3 medium, that is for 400 grams, chickpea flour 1/3 cup, and rice flour 1/2 cup. Now let's proceed with our recipe. First we have to cut our corns into 2 pieces for easily grating. Then we have to grate all these corns in a bowl in the same manner as showing in the video. Now in a bowl, along with the grated corns, add all the chopped ingredients and also add spices along with rice flour and chickpea flour. Now mix all these ingredients well. Also add water slowly and gradually. Here I'm adding 1/2 cup water. You can also add as required or until you reach your desired consistency. Now take a pan, grease it with oil. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil, and then pour prepared mixture in a pan. Spread evenly to make round shaped chilla. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes each side with covered lid. Repeat the process for making all 4 chillas and serve it with chutney or